Hey everybody, I'm happy to report that the markets are actually up today. Dow is up 235, S&P is up 27, and the NASDAQ is only up 90 now at this point. But nevertheless, we are safe for the moment. And Bitcoin all the way back up to 84,000. Ethereum 2,200. This was down as low as 21, I think, last night. It was down to 2,094. And then XRP is 215 right now. So I think that what we're looking at is that the markets are going to be coming down in a very significant way. And we want to carefully look at our positioning, our position sizing, how much money we have in the crypto markets, how much money we have in the stock markets, because it's likely that a lot of people could be wiped out if you are heavily invested in equities or cryptocurrencies. I've been saying that a recession has been looming for a while, and I think we've actually been in a recession. And this recession is going to turn into a depression, and this is going to hit stock prices significantly. Okay, guys, we're going to have a lot more layoffs being announced soon. You already know that they've been doing a lot of layoffs. I think there's going to be a lot more. Today we just found out that consumers cut back their spending the most that they have in a long time. And let's move over to gold. Gold is down $33, guys. Wow. And silver is down to 31.02. So silver dropping nicely here. Can't wait to pick up some silver. And gold as well. I've been calling for a drop in gold. We were a little bit overextended there, I think, overbought technically. If you follow things like the RSI. Now, gold could pull back here to 2,700. I think that would be a pretty realistic pullback, 2,700. But don't know. I think that traders are waiting to buy this dip in gold. So I'm following all the gold stocks and looking at a lot of those. And but it's nice to know that the markets are safe for now. So people that are heavily invested are all right for the moment. But now with XRP, a lot of people are still holding on to this thing, and they're never going to sell. I say that there's nothing wrong with holding on to a little bit of crypto if you really want to. At certain times, even I buy crypto, even though I know it's primarily a scam. But when you're starting to lose a lot of money, it's okay to reduce position sizing. If you have 1,000 XRP and you start to feel like you could be wrong, it's not a wrong thing to cut your position in half or by a certain percentage. So don't think that you're doing something bad if you decide that you want to lower your risk, because that's all it does. If you cut your position, that lowers your exposure to the markets, lowers your risk, puts you in a much safer position. Cash is the safest position, guys. Okay? Right now, at a time when a recession could be, or a depression could be coming, safety is always good. So I look at things like cash as the number one safety item. Fiat, they call it fiat, meaning by the government, issued by the government. And fiat is not always bad, guys. You got to remember, fiat is not always bad. It's actually the safest thing. Okay, the U.S. dollar is the strongest, the best, the number one currency in the entire world. Okay, get that through your head. So for short periods of time, it is good to hold dollars. And I'm saying this could be one of those times right now. Okay, guys, this is not for financial advice. I don't have a whole lot more to say right now other than we're okay, guys. The markets are not crashing. because I am afraid for some people that do hold large amounts of equities. There's a lot of people out there that have 401ks with huge amounts of money in them, and there's not a lot you can do. Okay, if we're facing a scenario here where the Dow Jones could get cut in half, the NASDAQ could get cut in half, people's 401ks could, go up in smoke, so to speak. So I just feel at ease for those people right now. I just know that in the future, I think a lot of people are going to possibly be hurting. These markets have been going up for so many years now. So, and I think we can make more money in stocks and cryptos, but I think there's going to be more pain before that gain. So, all right, guys, I'll keep you updated if anything changes. Remember, analysis can always change. Nothing is for sure. Nothing is guaranteed. And this is not financial advice. I'll see you guys later.